Hi, and welcome to Peg Space Bytes. Today's Space Byte is about the space race and how Abel and Baker, two monkeys, were involved. Enjoy. Before Abel and Baker, there are many unsung animal heroes that were involved in space flights. There are numerous rabbits, mice, rats, monkeys, and dogs. Very few survived their flights, though. Abel and Baker were chosen from 25 monkeys for this historical flight. Both were females. Abel was a rhesus monkey, born in Independence, Kansas, and Baker was a squirrel monkey, born in Peru. Their flight was on May 28, 1959, aboard a Jupiter Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile from Cape Canaveral, Florida, in the United States. While in flight, Abel and Baker stayed in the nose cone of the rocket. They wore tiny spacesuits and helmets. The Jupiter missile's altitude was 300 miles at a speed of 1,700 miles per hour, and the total flight was 15 minutes long. The height of the missile was 60.3 feet or 18.4 meters, which is the same length as a bowling alley. The diameter of the missile was 8.75 feet, or 2.67 meters, which is a little larger than how tall Andre the Giant was. It weighed 119,900 pounds, or 54,400 kilograms. Abel and Baker were recovered unharmed by the naval ship USS Kiowa from the Caribbean. They were the first primates to survive a spaceflight. Sadly, Abel died 4 days after landing, after she stopped breathing when sprayed with a routine anesthetic before a scheduled surgery. Her body was stuffed and is at the National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. After the flight, Miss Baker became a celebrity. She was on the cover of magazines such as Life and Scholastic News Ranger. She was also on the Donna Shore Show. Miss Baker received many letters and cards daily from children all around the world. Miss Baker lived at the Naval Aerospace Medical Center in Pensacola, Florida. After her flight, then was moved to the U.S. Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama, where the public could view her. There was a sign on her enclosure that stated, "The First Lady in Space." Miss Baker was born in 1957 and died on November 29, 1984, from kidney failure. She was 27 years old. Miss Baker was buried next to her first husband, Big George. Many visitors leave bananas on top of Miss Baker's gravestone. I hope you enjoyed today's Space Bite. Remember, endeavor to discover new horizons and challenge yourself to reach for the stars. See you next time. Bye-bye.